Okay, so we're here at my daughter's place and she has a big idea. It is a greenhouse built from an old frame that you would park a car under. It lost its cloth bit or tarp edge, and so this frame was left. And yeah, with the help of her guy, they built a little bit of wood going around and repurposed this frame into a greenhouse, which is brilliant, really. So the 2x6s wrap all the way around on the bottom, and that's what they use to hold the plastic down. Now, their purpose is not to use it for permanent. They even have a little water system that goes in, which is awesome. The plastic itself, you can get anywhere. I believe that he got all the materials at Home Depot. The only issue they came up with was having to tape the plastic together. But it seems like it's held up here so far. They were hoping to only get one season out of it, so if someone wanted a more permanent structure, you could probably put a wooden frame following a little bit of the actual aluminum frame. The door fits really nicely. So obviously it's too... Obviously it's too warm to keep the door closed now, but the door fits really good. The door is made out of 2x2s with a little cross brace. Nice little hook there. All right, so with the greenhouse, I've been informed that this frame for the door is all freestanding, which is very cool. So you can see how it's been double framed, one on the inside here and on the outside here, and then this brace helps to keep it stable. But what a nice job. And the door fits really snug. Well, there you have it. A great idea that you can use as a permanent structure or as a temporary structure. Another great idea. This is Babr, Babr's Big Ideas.